Frequency domain analysis of first order circuit. Okay. Frequency domain analysis. Frequency domain analysis of first order circuit. Okay. For example, this is called series RC circuit. So this is called R and this is called C capacitor. So in frequency domain, it can be represented by, so V naught of here CS, 1 by CS. No, contrast. So this is called output voltage across the capacitor. Okay. This is called voltage across the capacitor, the output, and this is called input. Then transfer function V output by V input is equal to 1 by CS divided by R plus 1 by CS. Okay, substitute here, simplify this expression, RCS plus 1. This is called first order circuit. Okay, V of S by V naught of S by Vi of S is equal to 1 by RCS plus 1. Here R is called 4 kilo. C is called 1 microfarad. 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. S plus 1. Okay. So this is a expression for V naught of S by V of S. So 1 by 4 into 10 to the power of 3 into 1 minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6 S plus 1. Okay. So then V naught of S by Vi of S is equal to 1 by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into S plus 1. Okay. So if you want to know frequency domain, substitute S is equal to J omega. Okay. And then V naught of J omega divided by Vi of J omega. That is equal to 1 divided by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 to J omega plus 1. This is our final expression. Okay, for this magnitude plot and phase plot. So we have to draw magnitude plot. Okay, so magnitude plot, magnitude of V naught of S by Vi of S. This is one waveform. Okay, magnitude versus frequency. And then next phase plot. We have to draw here. First one is called magnitude plot. Okay, and the second one is called phase plot. Okay, so magnitude plot. So by using P-space, we have to understand this magnitude plot. That is called magnitude versus frequency. Okay, magnitude versus frequency. So try to consider here. This is a circuit diagram. This is called VAC, 10 volts, V in. Okay, this is called V in, and this is the resistance R1, 4 kilo ohm, and C is called 1 microfarad. This is called output voltage. Okay, we output. So labels are indicated like this, and then go to analysis and set up AC. Okay, AC sweep and decade. Make a tick mark on decade, and starting frequency 10 Hz and ending frequency 300 kHz. Okay, and then close and press analysis. After that, simulate. So then we will get like this window. So you want to know magnitude versus frequency, select here magnitude M. Then V output, select this V output by V input. Then you will get like this magnitude plot. This is called magnitude plot. So magnitude 1 0.8, 0.6. So like this, magnitude versus frequency. Okay, magnitude versus frequency. This is magnitude versus frequency. This is waveform. Okay, this is the response for magnitude. Frequency response for simple RC circuit, first order RC circuit. Magnitude response. If you want to know phase response, from this select P. That is called P phase plot. P of V output by input. That is called phase plot. Then you will get like this phase plot. Here 0 degrees minus 20 degrees minus 400 degrees for this plate phase plot. Okay, degrees versus frequency. Degrees minus 20 degrees, minus 40, minus 60, minus 80. So maximum degree is nothing but minus 90 degrees. Okay. So like this, for the frequency of maximum frequency, you will get minus 90 degrees. But this is called degrees versus frequency is called phase plot. Okay. So this is about frequency response of simple first order circuit.